According to Bloomberg, US prosecutors are looking into money transfers at the cryptocurrency firm Digital Currency Group's brokerage unit Genesis. Stay tuned while we uncover everything you need to know about the second report of the Digital Currency Group, DCG, that is being investigated by the US authorities. Alleged financial transfers between DCG and Genesis crypto lending division, Genesis Global Capital, are being investigated by the Securities and Exchange Commission and the U.S. Department of Justice's Eastern District of New York. According to a report published late Friday by Bloomberg, which cited people familiar with the situation, U.S. regulators are also looking into the information given to investors regarding those transactions. The crypto firm defended its procedures and denied knowledge of any New York investigation after stating last week that its borrowing and lending businesses needed additional time to stabilize its precarious financial status. DCG has a solid commitment to honesty and has continuously operated legally. No investigation of DCG is known to be ongoing in the Eastern District of New York, and we have no reason to suspect otherwise, the business informed Bloomberg. Following the collapse of Sam Bankman-FTX-Fried's crypto enterprise, pressure is mounting on DCG. The parent company of Genesis shut down its wealth management division last week, blaming a crypto winter and considerable economic headwinds. Genesis said in November that its leading division would halt withdrawals, which has repercussions for businesses like Gemini, which depended on Genesis for its Earn platform. Barry Silbert, the creator of DCG, and Cameron Winklevoss, the co-founder of Gemini, have recently started a public spat about problems related to this suspicion. In recent months, Genesis has also made significant workforce reductions, replacing its executive leadership and nearly halving its headcount since August. The following collapse of the crypto empire FTX significantly harmed Genesis's financial statements. The loans that brokerage Genesis provided to Three Arrows Capital have caused it to suffer substantial losses as well. Genesis last week reduced 30% of its personnel as part of yet another wave of staff reductions, citing extraordinary industry challenges and liquidity problems. As a result of its co-founder Cameron Winklevoss claiming that the crypto giant owes its consumers over $1 billion, DCG is currently engaged in a public dispute with cryptocurrency platform Gemini. Barry Silbert, CEO of DCG, was accused by Winklevoss of putting off finding a mechanism to reimburse users of Gemini's Earn interest-bearing account program. To investigate options, Origin has also hired advisors. These options may eventually include filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. At the time, CoinDesk noted that as of early December, Genesis creditors had asserted claims totaling more than $1.8 billion. Another DCG subsidiary, Grayscale, is having problems with its essential Bitcoin trust product. Last month, the discount between the share price of the trust and the cost of Bitcoin fell below 50%, a sign that investors have little faith in the product or their capacity to profit from it. A request for comment was not immediately answered by Genesis or DCG spokespeople. A Genesis representative said the company maintains regular communication with regulators, but declined to comment on any specific issues. In contrast, a DCG spokesperson said the company was unaware of any inquiry into EDNY. Who is Barry Silbert? Beginning in 2012, Barry Silbert was a pioneering investor in the cryptocurrency market. Before entering the cryptocurrency industry, Silbert earned a Bachelor of Arts in Finance from Emory University, worked as an investment banker at Houlihan Lokey, and served as the company's CEO. He later founded Grayscale Investments and Digital Currency Group, two of the most well-known companies in the cryptocurrency sector. While Genesis Trading and Grayscale are owned and operated by DCG, Grayscale is most recognized for its flagship Bitcoin investment trust. Grayscale is known for providing seed capital for blockchain-related businesses. In addition to being recognized as Entrepreneur of the Year by Ernst & Young and appearing on Fortune's 40 Under 40 list, Silbert was an early investor in Coinbase and Ripple. DCG and its relationship with Genesis. Genesis Global Capital's issues began in the middle of last year, after the demise of renowned hedge fund Three Arrows Capital. The crypto lending services suffered significant losses of $1.2 billion. A few months later, when the multi-billion-dollar cryptocurrency exchange FTX declared bankruptcy, Genesis also took a hit. Genesis experienced liquidity difficulty as a result of the demise of FTX, and as a result, withdrawal and loans requests have been put on hold. To allay public worries, DCG has consistently refrained from endorsing Genesis's repeated claims that the company operated independently. DCG's CEO and founder, Barry Silbert, disclosed all existing debts between the two firms in a circular to its shareholders in November 2022. He added that all loans were provided on an arm's-length basis and that the repayment schedule was designed to consider the current market interest rates. CEO and founder Barry Silbert launched Second Market before Nasdaq acquired it in 2015. The connective tissue between DCG subsidiaries, portfolio firms, investors, and corporate partners is provided by Meltem Demirors, Director of Development. DCG is a group of businesses and investments dedicated to the cryptocurrency industry. They own and run Grayscale Investments, a sizable digital currency asset management company, and Genesis Global Trading, the market-leading Bitcoin brokerage company. They also own CoinDesk, a trade magazine for the sector. Genesis Global Trading is an over-the-counter OTC trading company that offers liquidity for institutional scale trading in digital currencies on both the buy and sell sides. The Bitcoin Investment Trust is managed by Grayscale Investments, a company that handles digital currency assets, symbol GBTC. Furthermore, Grayscale debuted its Ethereum Classic Investment Trust in the early summer of last year, though it is publicly traded. For those who are deeply involved in the cryptocurrency space, CoinDesk publishes insider news and information. Additionally, they oversee Consensus, an annual business GAT place in late spring in New York City. Block Intel's opinion, to assist the emergence of cryptocurrencies and the more general evolution of blockchain, Dan has an executive portfolio of businesses. Additionally, their conference and trade publications significantly influence how to maximize the potential area's potential. It should be noted that a significant portion of the investments and other activity done by DCG exhibit a clear political bent. A considerable amount of money has been spent by one of its early businesses, Grayson, on the Ethereum Classic ETC project, which was started after the main Ethereum ETH community opted to use their blockchain following a hack that happened in July 2016. To steal up USD 50 million from investors, the hackers used a flaw in the code. The Ethereum community agreed to carry out a chain rewind to give holders their money back after the attack was revealed, but this move also called into question the chain's immutability. The one, really immutable chain, which contains the malicious transactions inserted by the hackers, was sought after by the Ethereum Classic project, which was formed shortly after. The primary offering from Grayscale is their Bitcoin Investment Trust, which we previously covered. This product allows conventional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without owning any cryptocurrency themselves. Grayscale has developed the Ethereum Classic Investment Trust as its second product to enable investment into the ETC token, to build on the success of the Bitcoin Investment Trust. The choice to follow a trust for Bitcoin with confidence for ETC gives the Ethereum Classic project a great deal of prestige and publicity. The market has placed ETH, now priced at about $280 per token, ahead of ETC, which is currently valued at roughly $11 per token. Despite this uneven market preference, DCG, through Grayscale, actively promotes and supports ETC. Will the crypto market survive a hit on DCG? One of the largest crypto conglomerates on the market, Digital Currency Group, had an AUM value of $50 billion as of September 2021. The company also owns other subsidiaries besides Genesis Global Capital, such as Grayscale Investments, a significant digital asset manager with over 600 BTC tokens under management. CoinDesk, a well-known media outlet and famous Bitcoin mining service foundry, and Luno, a cryptocurrency exchange with over 10 million users. The US authorities' ongoing inquiries into DCG might have devastating repercussions for the whole crypto industry if they unearth any information that casts doubt on the company and its subsidiaries. Investors can maintain their composure pending disclosing any additional information on the investigations, as there is currently no sign that such a thing will happen. Following the FTX collapse in November, the cryptocurrency market has so far been gradually making a comeback. The market leader at the time of writing, Bitcoin, has increased by 2.4% over the past week and is now valued at $16,937.52, according to data from Coinbase. With a market cap of $326.141 billion, the most valuable cryptocurrency has the highest supply of other digital assets. This is it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and also hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future updates. See you in the following video.